Wall Decorating Ideas Top Interior, 2024. Transform your space with the latest wall decorating ideas for 2024. In this video, we've curated the top interior trends to elevate your home decor game. From chic minimalism to vibrant statement walls, discover creative and budget-friendly ways to add personality to your walls. Dive into a world of colors, textures, and innovative design techniques that will inspire your next home makeover project. Explore the latest trends, stay ahead of the curve with the trendiest wall decor ideas for 2024. Creative and budget-friendly, learn how to achieve stunning results without breaking the bank. Discover DIY hacks and affordable decor options. Personalize your space, find inspiration to infuse your personality into every corner of your home. From cozy living rooms to stylish bedrooms, we've got you covered. Easy DIY projects, get hands-on with our step-by-step DIY guides. Unleash your creativity and craft beautiful wall decor pieces with simple materials. Play with colors and textures, dive into the world of colors and textures. Learn how to mix and match hues and materials to create visually appealing wall designs. Mirrors and artwork, explore the transformative power of mirrors and artwork. Discover how these elements can enhance light, space, and ambience in any room. Sustainable and eco-friendly options, stay eco-conscious with our eco-friendly wall decor ideas. Learn about sustainable materials and designs that are kind to the planet. Whether you're a design enthusiast, a DIY lover, or someone looking to revamp their living space, this video is packed with inspiration and practical tips. Don't miss out on the chance to turn your walls into stunning works of art. Watch now and let your creativity flow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting interior design ideas.